Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi Super Sudoku puzzle on October 24, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column B, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. First grade, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second row, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then the 5 is confirmed here. Seventh row, fifth row, column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 9. 8th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. First grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Fifth row, column D, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 4. 8th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 6. Column H, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column C, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 6th grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Column J, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. we will confirm later. The 9th grade, two numbers are remaining 3 and 8. 10th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 2. 4th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining 2, 2 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. 4th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 9. 5th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. Column E, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, column G, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 4. Column G, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. Column G, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 9, 1. Column G, we have 6 and 9, so 6 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining 1 is confirmed here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining 3 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. 4th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. 4th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.